Mavoko is a cosmopolitan, peaceful area that houses every Kenyan. All the tribes in this country reside in Mavoko. And in fact, in Machakos, because that is where they can find peace. This peace is being compromised, Honorable Speaker. The actions of Saturday, Sunday, yesterday, and today will deny children who ought to have become landlords in future the opportunity to do so because of the stigma they were subjected to through, Honorable Speaker.
I do agree and I do share the magnitude of the pain of the children, the cry of the children, the wailing and weeping of the mothers and even fathers whose houses were demolished. But we must also address the root cause of this, because I think and I believe the last week we had a motion here that was brought up by Mheshimiwa from Mudwani about land grabbing.
This was community land that was given to Portland to mine minerals, and once they finish, the land reverts back to the community. So I don't even know where they're getting the guts to sell the land. It's community land.
Thank you, Honorable.